Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we will going to publish one more application in the organization account. So it is in a completely fresh account. In this account, there is a no requirement of the 12 tested services or anything like that. So if you people need the organization accounts, you can contact to us. We are selling the organization accounts, and for the app publishing also we are giving a service. And apart from that 12 tested services or any DUNS number you required, please let us know. You can find our contact number 7989860888. So let's start. We will going to publish our app. So as we already been taken all the screenshot and everything we have been taken here, feature image and all app description and abb file. So let's we will going to start. It is like a cooking recipe application. So we will going to publish now. So just create it because Google has making everyday new changes. So that's the reason we have been publishing the app. I know that most of the apps has been showing how to publish only. So this apps has been built with the AI Studio only because we are not getting much time to publish the for the this is the organization account. So we want to publish one normal application. That's it. So that's the reason. So just click it all the things. You can fast forward and you can able to see all those things. Just create it new. It takes some time to get a load. If you feel any problem or anything, you can pause and you can see it step by step all things. Uh, it's getting has been load, it's been showing here, so it's take time, and after that it's going to redirect the page. And as it we need to complete this form, set up your app, copy, paste, save, go back, sign in detail. As this app has not a login details or anything, so that's the reason we will going to click as no. If you have, just click it as and you have to give the information. Just save it and go back to the dashboard and ads. Yes, it's content the ads, but as I had not kept the ads, but also I'm keeping, maybe I'd add the SDKs, I'd not remember exactly. And content rating, so for the content rating we need to mail ID here. So here is a mail ID and all type and agree, then do next. No, just no and no, and no, click it and save it. Next, save it. Just go back to the dashboard and targeting audience, obviously we're going to select as 18 plus. Just save it and just go back. Data safety, I don't want to fill as in manually. So what I will going to do, I will going to see the any extending data safety is there with me. So based on that, I think I have a one user data safety. Yeah, I have a old one, so it's fine. Because if we will, which are the unnecessary things there, I will just remove it off. Which are the importance are there, I will going to get. So I just import, or you can able to see any old application it is published, you can take it out the data safety also. But based on your code, you need to fill the data safety. That is the most important point. Just do the next. If you need a data safety information, you can contact to us. You can WhatsApp to us. We will going to guide you. What are the data safety you need. Okay, so rest of the things are same is there, so I don't want to keep it. Just make sure the policy has been matching with the code. Okay, policy link has been matching. That is the most important thing. Just go back to the dashboard. And the government app, no, it's not in a government apps. Just save it. Just go back. Feature information, no feature and financial features, we are not doing anything like that. So just click it as no. But in calculator it will going to show the financial, that is you have to change. Advertisement, yes, of course we are doing as and this one, and there is no more anything else. If it is SDK is there, then after the while publishing abb file, it will going to show the error that you have to do it. Health, just no, next, save it, then go back. So most of part has been completed. Now it comes to the part of the tags and everything. So app and category we will call as a food and drinks. So it's a related to the foods only. So I will just click it this. Tag management, food and drinks only I will keep it. Food and drink, food delivery, receipts, restaurants. I will keep it 3 because keywords can be matched based on the SEO. We can able to do it. And contact mail ID we will going to write. Mail ID is an important thing, and phone number is optional, and website is optional for you. So it's up to you whether you want to add it. You can able to add it, but otherwise the most important thing is the phone number, mail ID. I have been added that. So now the short description, long description, and screenshots all are there here. So here is a short description. If you want to know the short description, long description, how we can able to create it with the Google policy, so you should be have 80 characters. If it is more, you need to edit the characters. So rest of the, okay, just copy it, just save it. Just next thing is app icon. I need to crop. Usually you can able to do 512 by there, but the Google has given the like a crop option now. So I will just save it as usual it says thing. Just add it, and feature image also have been added here. If it is a resize, then you can able to just crop it here. As it's showing the option of the crop, you can able to crop it. It's not going to change much thing. Just the corners will be going to resize the image. That's it. Just save it. You can customly change also, but I don't require all those things. Autocrop is fine because this is a console to just to get one app live, so customer can able to upload more application in the future. So that's the reason we have been publishing here. Just add it, and tablet, okay, it's already been uploaded, so we no need to do all those kind of a stuff. Just add it here, not required, it's not any important, so I will just do save. Simple thing, save your time, don't need to break your head. As is a organization account, we no need to require the 12 testers. So just what I will going to just create a publish, select a country here. Most of people face here problem, so that's be careful, see here carefully here. Okay, select all the countries, it's based on your app, you can able to select your countries. Okay, create a new release. Here we will going to upload our ABB file. So as I already created ABB file, while it's been uploading, it's take time based on your app, is take time on based on that. So I will going to copy and paste the small description of the release section. So it's up to you whatever you want to write. If you are releasing second version or third version, you just deployed the information, what are the changes you did, bug fixed, and all those things, you can able to write it based on that. Okay, and it's take time, it's get because the ABB file will going to extract to the play console, and they will going to check it. If it is a malware, it will going to reject, or if it is a versions also is changes, it will going to reject. As you can see in the code, I made it the version of uh, targeting the SDK is 35. I made it. I hope it will going to take it. Usually it's 65 is required, 36 is required. So at 35 I made it, but it's been passed. So we can able to do the next. So it's asking for a disclaimer, release without permission. I will just click it. So it's not a big deal. Just save it. Go on overview, and just do next, publish overview, just publish, submit your app. So we have sent the request to the Google to release our application. So it's saying that not send in a review, just nothing but just do the refresh to the page and wait for a couple of minutes, and it's showing as a review. So if when it is your new account or new console, it's usually takes, if it is an old account before the 2019, it will going to publish your app like in a 1 day or 2 day it will going to publish. But now Google has changed completely all things. Now it's taking time, from 1 to 7 days it's going to take, some to 8 days also will going to get a time. So don't be a panic that your app has been not live. So after publishing your app in old console or new console or personal account, it's going to take for you 1 to 7 days of your time. 7 to 8 days also you're going to take, or most probably it's 7 days your app will be going to get a live. So if you have any problem, or you are facing any problem or anything while publishing, you can contact us. Please give the comments to us for the next topics also. We will based on the comment only we will going to create a videos. We are slow while making a videos, but we will try our best to make it all the videos based on your comments. If you require the done services or done number, please contact to us. Or you need a organization account, you can contact to us. 12 tester services or website or games or anything, please contact to us. Please feel free to contact to us to our WhatsApp number 7989860388. Thank you so much.